in Corpus, about to go onto the island. We're gonna stop for some bait. Once we get that bait, we're gonna go head straight down to Pins. We're gonna be about the 14, maybe between 14 and 20 mile marker. We're not gonna go down too far. So we'll see how it goes. We plan to do some good fishing. We have some food. We got some food for a cookout, stuff like that. So we'll see how it goes today.
Are you moving to the beach?
Yes. You're not gonna see me until next week.
It's completely full.
It's like an overnight kind of thing.
For 2 nights.
So we should be good. I have more than enough stuff.
Clearly.
But in my defense, it is estimated for 4 people, not just myself. So there.
Are you gonna make a video of this?
I'm gonna try to.
Do you have the cameras?
Yes.
Okay. Well,
I just need to go into work. It looks unorganized.
it is unorganized.
But clearly, I know where stuff is at. It's all inside the Jeep.
You didn't pack it very well. You just threw things in.
Yeah.
And the tent is up there. But there's another tent down here.
Clearly, I need to organize better.
Okay. Have fun.
We're out here today. It's a good afternoon now. It's 15 past 12. So well, at least I woke up. I woke up at around 6:30 today. Set some lines out. You can see over there. I got 3 lines out. Not much today. Just got some whiting. I cut that up and I threw that out. Now I'm using it as bait. So let's show you around camp. Right now my friends took off. They're gonna go pick up another friend at the visitor center here at Pins, and we'll see how today goes when they come back. So for camp, we have Maui here. I got a awning set up. I got my anchor here set up. Our solar panels, making sure that's charged for tonight. Then I have some water here. You can tell it's a huge mess back here, but we got our refrigerator. We got some food ready for tonight. We're gonna do some nice steaks and some good cookout. I'm powering that right now off the Jackery, just because I don't want to have it on the Jeep and have issues with my battery later on. So it's on the Jackery right now. I'll probably charge the Jackery in a bit. It is at 23% right now, so more likely I'll charge that with the solar panels in a little bit here. And then I got some more fishing rods back there, our water jug here. Then I have our rooftop tent from Rough Country. It's pretty nice having that out here. And then we have just chairs, and I got our griddle out here. I got our stove, and then I bought this off of Amazon, which is this nice table here, real good. And then I brought the tents for the guys here, so we have all that set up. Then we also have our portable restroom and shower. So we have this out here. So I did set up the restroom up here. Nobody should be in here because I should be alone. But we have our restroom in here, and then our shower in case we want to rinse off or anything like that. So that's our pretty much our setup. Camp has been great. Other than the wind, it was pretty windy last night. So we got here around probably 7:30. There was still a good bit of light out. We were able to set up camp quickly. We did have to do it overnight, or not overnight, but kind of in the dark here. But for it being in the dark, I think we did pretty well. So that's pretty much it for right now. As you can see, we have our setup right here. So we'll keep seeing how things go. Hopefully we catch some good fish today, because honestly right now nothing's biting. And that's not gonna be fun if I don't at least catch some more fish. Like I said, we did get some whiting earlier today. We got, I think, about 3 whiting. 2 of them we threw back out. One of them I just used as cut bait to see if hopefully something gets on it. And the rest is just shrimp. I bought plenty of shrimp for us. I do have some more rods out there. I'll probably end up putting those rod holders out in a bit, and cast those out too. So hopefully something bites. But that's it for right now. We'll talk again later. Good morning. So we are heading back out now. It's a shame. What a beautiful day today. But that's pretty much it. I know I didn't film too much, but honestly, I was just enjoying the time here with some friends. It's been a while since we've gotten together, so I hope y'all don't blame me, but I didn't record much at the campsite. I did record a couple things. Just showed our campsite and stuff like that. So throughout the trip, I did end up hooking on to I don't know what it was. Unfortunately I lost it. But I hooked up to a huge fish. I think it was fighting like a drum, a black drum. So it was probably a bull. If it wasn't a bull drum, then more than likely it was a stingray. But it was a big fight. I was there for about 30 minutes. At the end of the day, the line ended up snapping, and I lost my fish. Honestly, I was getting kind of tired of fighting that thing. So, and then the other thing is, I hooked up to, I don't know, something else, something huge. It ripped my pole rod completely. I'll insert some pictures here if we have. But it pretty much just broke my entire rod holder off, and it nearly took my entire pen reel out into the ocean. Thankfully, whatever it was, which was more than likely a shark, because the line was shredded. The line snapped also, and my rod just ended up there on the beach on the sand. But it took it. So that was that.